Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to make this dish which is called the Punjabi Chutney. So let us see what other ingredients are used to make this chutney. So let's get into the kitchen. To begin this recipe, these are the list of ingredients that I'll be using. A cup of water, a cup of tamarind extract. I will link the video on how to make your tamarind extract in the description box. And I have some roasted cumin seeds, black salt, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and I'll be using 1/8 of teaspoon of turmeric powder and a half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. I also have a video on how to make your own Garam Masala. I will leave the link in the description box below. Dear viewers, now to begin this dish, we got to preheat the pan over a medium heat, and with 2 tablespoons of oil. One, and 2. Dear viewers, the oil is being heated up and we will add the fennel seeds, which is 2 teaspoons, and we will let it fry for a moment. As the smell of the fennel seed comes up, you may now start to add the chili powder, which is 1 teaspoon of each, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, one-eighth of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and also 1 teaspoon of black salt. With this, we'll give a quick saute. So we will fry until the smell comes up. This spice powder has to be cooked. And this has to be cooked approximately about 2 to 3 minutes. viewers, now the chili paste is already been cooked. As you can see, the color has been changed, and this is the time that you could add the tamarind juice. So we will add the tamarind juice and let it boil for approximately about 10 minutes. And I have the tamarind juice or the extract. And with this, I'll just scrape the sides of the pot and let it boil for approximately about 10 minutes. At this stage, I will add a half a teaspoon of salt. Just a half a teaspoon, maybe a quarter teaspoon. If we need more, we will add more. And we will let it boil. As you can see, the oil is getting separated. This is an indication of the the spices are cooked. So with this, we'll add 1 cup of water and we'll let it boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. Dear viewers, the chutney is been boiling for over 15 minutes, and now it's time to add 1 cup of white sugar and continue stirring it until the sugar dissolves. In my list of ingredients, I did not include because I was running out of space. And so now finally I'm adding in the sugar, and you could see the color has already become glossy. This is very beautiful. So I would let it boil slowly until the moisture evaporates as much as we can to get a thick chutney. So we will see when the chutney gets thicker. The chutney has been boiling over 20 minutes and it's a perfect thickness. It's a little watery, but it's okay. We can dish it out now and it's almost done. So I will meet you when I have finished dishing it out. Dear viewers, and this is our end product of the Punjabi chutney. So to make this chutney, you have seen the video how to make. I wish that you will make in your own home. Very soon I will come up with a video on making my version of samosas. This goes well with samosas, even with Pani Puri or any chaat. So in any kind of street food that is being sold in India, it goes well, even with pakoras. And so I wish that you will try in your home and leave your comments below in my comment box. And also I encourage those who are new, please do subscribe, and those who have been here, thank you so much, very much. We have achieved over what we have expected. Thank you for your support, and let us learn from one another by watching videos. Thank you very much and stay tuned to my next recipe video. Till then, goodbye.